Government organizations and the citizens they serve often find themselves drowning in a digital sea of policy, regulations, and public information. On one side, officials must be able to securely locate and share critical internal information, while also disseminating public information in a reasonable and timely manner. On the other side, citizens require immediate access to a wide variety of information sources, from documentation on starting a new business to the ongoing legislative activity of their elected officials. To address these requirements, government organizations are increasingly leveraging information management solutions powered by search technology. Since 1988, ISYS has been addressing the information access needs of government organizations worldwide. From defense departments to court systems and local organizations, ISYS addresses the unique search requirements of government at all levels. While these customers use both the ISYS desktop and ISYS web applications, let's take a look at how they typically use ISYS desktop in their daily work. Government officials require secure access to a broad set of content, from policy and procedure information stored locally to shared network drives, databases, and external content. And when it comes to securing this content, ISYS works with my existing security settings to ensure I view only those documents for which I am authorized. What's more, ISYS gives me the ability to create multiple collections of content. For this demonstration, we've created indexes for local documents, court judgments, health and safety, national parks and wildlife, and police reports. I can choose to search one, some, or all of these collections simultaneously by simply clicking on one or using the Control key to multi-select various indexes. I can now choose to quickly enter a search using the built-in window in ISYS Desktop. Or I can select the Query menu and choose from one of a number of query styles. Since I want to run a more sophisticated search, I'm going to choose Menu Assisted Query. Notice that ISYS offers a number of operators that enable me to build an advanced query. I don't even need to know the syntax for these operators. I simply point and click as I go. In this example, I want to find documents pertaining to regulations and compliance. So I'll type regulations, then click the AND button to insert the AND operator, and finally I type compliance. ISYS executes my query and displays my results. ISYS includes a preview pane beneath my results so that I can quickly scan each one to see if it's the document or set of documents I'm looking for. Hit highlighting of my search terms helps me quickly determine whether a particular result is relevant. In addition, ISYS offers smart suggestions, such as the Did You Mean feature, which accounts for misspellings or variances in word tense and form. In this case, ISYS asks if I meant to search for regulations and complaints. ISYS also reveals additional information about my search results. Notice the timeline refinement bar above my results window. If I want to locate more recent information on regulations and compliance, I simply click and drag the sliders to refine my results to include just the information from more recent years. ISYS also lets me filter my results via other refinement options. Along the right side, you'll notice items like categories, people, locations, and more. When I expand the Organizations category, it shows me some of the commonly recurring company names ISYS identified when indexing my various collections. Not only does this help me better refine my search results, it gives me greater insight into my information and provides me with new avenues to pursue. If I see an organization I'm interested in, such as Promenade Investments, I just double-click it, and ISYS refines my results to documents that include both my original query of regulations and compliance and Promenade Investments. Through this query and refinement process, I was able to find the one document I was looking for. Government organizations recognize the importance of reliable and immediate access to internal and external content, especially within defense and intelligence organizations where the information is mission critical. Likewise, they understand the public's desire to leverage online channels to access a wealth of content, such as state and local information. By using ISYS on desktops, intranets, public websites, and as a component of large-scale information management applications, government officials and their constituencies find information fast, securely, and accurately. Prove the value of ISYS for yourself by evaluating a free trial version today.